Hey guys, Colleen here, DIYer behind LemonThistle.com. Today I'm excited to be sharing this front porch fall decor bucket that can be used for autumn, but also turned around and used as a candy bucket for trick-or-treaters on Halloween. This video is part of the DIY Mummies Fall DIY and Home Decor Challenge. This is such a simple project. I picked up this bucket from the dollar store and I used some paints that I have and I love already. So it was a really affordable project for me. And even though my front porch right now leaves something to be desired, I still want it to look nice. I want to have some curb appeal. So this is one of those projects that only costs a little bit of money and still makes a difference and makes me love coming home a little bit more to see this on my front step. Alright, before we dive in, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, I would so love if you did that below so you don't miss out on any more DIY or home decor videos. Okay, so for the first side, I did just letter using a Fusion Mineral Paints paint called Bayberry, and it almost has an olive undertone to it, so it definitely works with the whole autumn vibe without being bright orange or yellow or red. One thing that I will point out is that you do need to clean your bucket really well. There's almost like an oil coating or something on it that prevented the paint from sticking. So I had to wash all the paint off and start fresh. I also do want to point out that a soft paintbrush is totally preferable here. This will help the paint go on really smoothly and you can do it in less coats. The second side, I just used one of my Montana markers. These are acrylic paint pens, and I love how opaque they go on. I only had to do one coat on this side, whereas with the green, the mineral paint, I did have to do 2 coats to get an even coverage. Both of these sides I did just freehand, but if you did want to print out a stencil and, transfer that onto your bucket, you could do that as well. If you're looking for tips on hand lettering, specifically faux lettering, I will leave a link. I've got a whole e-course about that. And I do have some tips in this video right here. It is how to letter on wood the easiest way, and that's using the same paint markers that I'm using here. Alright, so that is the DIY. It's super simple. You can keep it out on your front porch all through autumn, and then when it's time for Halloween, just switch it around real quick and you are good to go. I hope that you enjoyed this simple DIY. It is part of the DIY Mummies Fall DIY and Home Decor Challenge. So if you're looking for more DIY or home decor inspiration for the fall, you should check out that playlist there because there's some amazing ideas. I hope that you enjoyed this DIY video. If you did, make sure to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe so you don't miss out on any more DIY or home decor videos. We'll see you next time.